The gear assembly consists of the plastic drive gear, 2 bearings, and the drive shaft coupler. The drive gear is driven by a gear on the armature shaft. Over time, the gear will wear and eventually fail. If the trimmer head is stalled, the gear can be stripped out. The bearings will fail over time as well. Replacing the gear assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the adjustable handle from the trimmer. To remove the handle, I'll press the button that you normally press when you adjust the handle and insert a metal rod through the hole in the opposite side to push the internal plunger. Now remove the screws that secure the 2 halves of the housing together. Two of the screws are located underneath the sticker. You'll need to locate those screws, cut through the sticker, and then you can remove them. Also on the top, you'll need to cut through this sticker. Then I can separate the 2 halves of the housing. Now I can pull the shaft away from the housing, remove the gear, and install the new one. Now I'll reinstall the drive cable into the drive gear. And align the shaft with the housing. I need to make sure that I align this tab with the housing so it can slide back and forth. And now I'll reinstall the cover. The plunger has a couple of tabs inside that need to align with the plunger on the opposite side. I'll rotate it around until they engage, and I can squeeze the 2 plungers together. And I'll begin retightening the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the adjustable handle. And now you know how to install a new gear assembly in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.